it's Gina with WTI, and I found just about the perfect pair of shorts to wear this summer for all of my fun summer and water activities. These are a pair of UPF 50 plus swim shorts from HODOSPORTS. I have been using them every time I go swimming or out paddleboarding, and a couple things that I love about these. Number one, they're comfortable. These are high-waisted. I love that because it keeps my tummy in check and it makes me feel very comfortable being out and around other people. Also, these ones have a 9-inch inseam. These come with a built-in panty, so you don't have to worry about having a swim bottoms on with them, and that gives you plenty of coverage. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I generally wear anywhere between a size 4 and 8 in pants, just depending on the brand. I went ahead and got the size medium based on the measurements, and I would say that these are true to size. I got the lake green color. I love it. It goes with everything that I have swimwear, and that is just really nice because then I can totally coordinate whenever I go to the water. These are quick dry. I love that because then you're not uncomfortable sitting in wet clothing. It just makes it really easy to go to the beach or be in the water and then dry quickly. HODOSPORTS has other colors and inseam lengths to choose from. I really like this 9-inch inseam, and of course the high waist on the band has just been perfect for me, and that's my point of view.